It's Brandon Lane. What's going on, Mr.
All
Mr.
good,
Hearn?
mate. I'm excited. I'm ready for December 4th. It's a big moment for Devin, big moment for us. MGM Grand, Las Vegas, live on DAZN. Ready to go.
A lot of Devin Haney fans here in America have been wanting to see him fight the biggest and the best fights. Do you feel any pressure to get this young superstar the best fights
I
in
do
boxing?
actually, yeah. I feel a lot of pressure, and that's why I was so happy to get this fight made, because the Linares fight was a big fight for us. It was the perfect name at the perfect time. Now we're stepping up a level to have back-to-back great fights, and there was a danger for a while that we weren't going to have this kind of fight. And I feel like after the Linares fight in Las Vegas, we needed to follow it up with a great fight, and this is a tremendous end to the year.
What do you think about Devin Haney, Teofimo Lopez, and Tank Davis fighting days apart there in December?
I think it's great. Obviously we're promoting the Teo fight and the Devin fight. That, I feel like, is the fight that's easy to make. I think it's the one that we should get made and we can get made. But they've both got to win. And this is a tougher fight than Teofimo's got. But, Kambosos can also fight as well. And I want to see both those guys get through on November 27 and December 4th. And then, in my opinion, we just have to make that fight. And I know that both guys want that fight. It's a huge fight for American boxing. But they've got to deal with business this year first.
What do you think, elaborating on that, what do you think the biggest obstacle to Teofimo versus Devin Haney potentially would be if they're both
Maybe
successful?
demands, money. Look, it's. I've said to Bob Arum, we can do that fight on ESPN, we can do it on DAZN, we can do it on both. It's not a problem, but Bob's going to have a problem after Teofimo wins, because he's going to go and say, right, what's my deal? He's going to want a load of money for a fight, and if Bob doesn't believe that fight's big enough, I do, and we'll pay the money. But again, they've both got to win firstly this year. I think the future is streaming, and the future is Devin Haney. So for these younger fighters.
So Teofimo said that he's the biggest fighter, he got belts and he made me and all that. But why he fighting over here with us then? No, he got a promoter and he with ESPN. Why he coming over here to DAZN and with Eddie Hearn?
Because we're the best in the game.
Okay.
Okay,
right.
thanks.
Do you feel, I see you jumping in, last week you jumped into the Teofimo thing. Do you feel, what are you thinking
I just love
when that's going on?
I love it. Because, people don't want to see niceties. Respect is important in boxing, because we need to show the younger generation that this is a sport built off respect. But let's get it right, it's a fight. Do you know what I mean? And
Right.
you guys, you want your meat, you want the quotes, you want the face-to-face, you want all that kind of stuff. Do you know what I mean? So this is great for boxing. It's respectful, but it's war. So let's see it, December 4th, MGM